kids! Welcome to Bubbly Bugs! Like and subscribe!
It's an ant! Did you know ants can carry things 50 times heavier than their own body? Beetle. There are 400,000 plus types of beetles. It's a cockroach. It's fast and hides in the dark. Firefly. That glows at night. Their glow is called bioluminescence. Butterfly. It starts as a caterpillar. Butterflies taste with their feet. Fly. It buzzes and loves food. Flies have 360-degree vision. It's a grasshopper. They make music by rubbing legs. Ladybug. Red with black spots, a garden helper. Ladybugs eat plant-eating pests. Honeybee. It makes honey and loves flowers. It's a caterpillar. Some caterpillars become butterflies.